Okay, students, we are going to start exercise 5.1, question number 2. Now see what the question is. Write first four terms of AP. Okay, when A and D are given. Okay, A is 10 and D is 10. Now see how to do it. We are starting our exercise 5.1, standard 10th. Okay, A is 10. In second question, A is 10 and D is 10. Now we need to find the first four terms. Okay, now first term, we already know that first term is A, second term A plus D, third A plus 2D, and fourth will be A plus 3D. These four are the terms of arithmetic progression. We need to just put this value here. A means 10. Here A plus D means 10 plus 10, that is 20. A plus 2D means 10 plus 2 times D, it means 2 times 10 means 20. So total is 30. A plus 3D, A 10, 3 times 10 yani 30. So that becomes 40. So that are the first four terms. Okay, now I am giving in another example. Question number 3 in the second. A is 4, D is minus 3. Okay, instead of doing this directly, I am applying formula so that we can practice the formula also. See, first term T1. Okay, now we know the formula of Tn. Tn is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so to find T1, so instead of n we will put 1. So A is what? 4. Instead of n we have 1. Instead of D we have minus 3. So 4 minus 1 plus 1 to 0. So it whole becomes 0. So answer is 4. So first term is what? 4. Now we compare it here. First term is A. A is what? 4. First term is 4. So this is same. Okay. Just now we are doing it by formula. T2. So instead of A we have 4. Instead of n we have 2. Instead of D we have minus 3. So 4 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 into minus 3. See, plus minus and 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. That is how we can have answer. Okay. Next, T3. It becomes A plus n minus 1D. Here instead of A we have 4. Instead of n we have 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And D is minus 3. So here 4 plus minus 3 2s are 6. 4 minus 6 minus 2. And T4 means A is 4, n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. And value of D is minus 3. Plus minus 3 3s are 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. That is how you can have the answer. Okay, now I am going to solve the question number 5. question number 2 and 4. Question number 2 and question number 4 you have to do in homework. A equal to minus 1.25 and D equal to minus 0.25. Okay. Now T1. Now we know the formula of Tn. Again A plus n minus 1 into D. So if I am doing T1, A is what? Minus 1.25 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Now this becomes 0. So T1 is minus 1.25. T2. Again instead of A minus 1.25, instead of n we will put 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And value of D is again minus 25. Now we know the 1.25 plus minus minus 0.25. Now we know that whenever we have same sign, both positive or both negative, in both condition we will do addition. So 1.25 plus 0.25, we can do it here. 1.25, 0.25. 5 plus 5, 10, 1. 2 plus 2, 4 and 1, 5. Here we have point and here we have 1. So it becomes minus 1.50. That is T2. Okay. Now T3. T3 becomes A. Now A is the same. Minus 1.25. N minus 1. So here N is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And D is minus 0.25. So here we have minus 1.25 plus minus minus 2 times 0.25. Now just imagine like 25 into 2. 25 2s are what? 50. Okay. So we can multiply 2 and have 0.50. Okay. Same sign again. So we are going to add them up. 1.25 plus 0.50. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, so it is 1.75 minus 1.75. That is T3. T4. Again A. A plus n minus 1. N is what? 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Into D. D is minus 0.25. Here it is as it is. See, 3 5s are 15. 1 remaining. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. And 3 into 0 0. And plus minus minus. Again we have same sign. Okay, we have same sign, so we are going to add them. 1.25 plus 0.75. Now see, 5 plus 5 10. 1 is remaining. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 1 10. 0 1 is remaining. 1 plus 1 2. So fourth terms becomes minus 2. We doesn't need to write 0.00. Okay, it is 2 minus 2. So that is how we can have the answer. I hope you can understand it. Okay, for this video it is enough. We are going to start the further question in next video. Thank you.